Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Supreme Spirit. Chapter 15, Shloka 2. Below and above are spread its branches, nourished by the gunas. Sense objects are its buds, and below in the world of men stretch forth the roots originating in action.
Chapter 15, Shloka 2. अधश्चोर्ध्वं प्रसृतास्तस्य शाखा गुणप्रवृद्धा विषयप्रबालाः अधश्च मूलानि अनुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके.
Chapter 15, Shloka 2. Now another figurative representation of the members of the tree of samsara is explained. The flow of life is sometimes towards the higher evolutionary purpose, but more often it tends to cater to the lower nature. These two tendencies are indicated when it is said that the branches of the tree of life grow both upwards and downwards. The gunas control, maintain, and nourish the urges for living the higher and the lower values in an individual. In any tree, there are nodular buds which are potential branches, not yet developed but waiting for a chance to grow. Similarly, in this Ashwathara tree of samsara are the sense objects, the buds. In the presence of an object, our tendencies revolt against all our higher concepts and ideals and run crazy to gain their gratification, a new branch. The main root of the tree of samsara is lost in the absolute reality high above the secondary roots, the thought channels, vasanas, which are created in us and which propel each one of us towards his own actions and reactions in the world, are the causes that promote man's evil as well as meritorious activities in the world. Just as the main root, while spreading its secondary roots, claws the earth through them and gets the plant rooted, so too the samskara, actions and reactions, both good and evil, bind the individuals fast in the earthly plane of likes and dislikes, of profits and losses, of earning and spending. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.